guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Olivia here, and today I'm with Beckham, Leif, and Lochlon. If you hear weird stuff, it's because of Leif. And everyone say hi.
I say yeah, will I get banned?
Hi. Yeah, that's Beckham. Okay, ready?
I didn't say hi. Moaning voice.
Hi.
Lochlon just moans it. I just said if I say yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just you can say brain rot. Well,
so everyone here, we are in a vein.
We're Chozo. Yeah. Someone's asking Lochlon, where's Chozo? Because he's Megumi.
I'm Itadori, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm his brother.
Why am I me?
Game. Game is game.
Why don't let me look at your screen?
Hey, we're the Jujutsu Kaisen characters.
What the?
Yes. Where's Leif? Slay. Huh?
Bro, I'm flying.
No, actually.
What the heck was that?
Yo, who the heck? Hey, that Queso over there? Wait, no.
Beckham?
What? No, bro. No,
I just died.
Yo.
Oh, wait, I'm stealing his tractor thing. Get in. Wait, Beckham.
That's not Queso. Not Queso.
That's not.
Who is that?
Not queso.
Not Queso.
Wait.
Oh my god. I'm near him. I just got downed.
Oh, that is Queso.
This guy's targeting me.
Queso.
It's Queso. He wants the chicken.
Oh my god.
Queso and the other guy are chasing him.
Avocado.
Oh, I've been down, bro.
He's down. Leif, we're all dead except for you, even our teammate. We're all counting on you to come revive us.
Yo. It's the fan.
Now I.
Yo, you absolutely saw the bag.
Who did? No, I'm better at you than this game, Queso. Queso means cheese in Spanish. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Beckham / Queso.
Oh,
And you just died.
oh, Leif's so out. Oh my god, I found the bot. Oh my god.
Where are you?
I have no idea. I think I'm at like some kind of train station.
Why can't I climb the ladders? I gotta juke him. Bro, juke.
Olivia's on the Shibuya arc, bruh.
Not for real though.
I see you. What's up, Nubara?
Where are you?
Where'd you go, bruh?
I'm jumping.
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are. What the?
That sounded weird.
Olivia, are you still alive?
Yes, I'm with Beckham right
You
now.
guys do this in first person or like third person?
I like first person for this game.
I like first person because it's easier for me.
Yeah, same, because it's kind of annoying in third person for this game.
Same. I like first person.
So you playing in first person right now?
Yeah.
I like third person.
Hey, what's up, Megami? I'm Sushi Girl.
They're the same thing.
It's the same name, not
Hey, yo, bro,
same thing.
that guy's coming, bro.
Keep up, I'm too fast.
Black with you.
Where's Leif?
Not in this one. Is it Michael Jordan?
What?
What?
Yeah, Michael Jordan. How has no one gotten downed?
Leif did.
Yeah, but I revived him.
Yeah, I can't go up.
By this random basketball player who looks like Slim Shady.
What? Slim Shady is not like Michael Jordan.
Where are you guys?
We're in the like sewers.
Yeah, I'm in the sewers.
Bro, I'm just...
It's literally like when...
No, our teammate.
Like this.
Oh, Beckham, I'm up the stairs.
You mean up the ladder?
Oh, yeah. Is it a ladder? Oh, no. Yeah, Beckham.
No. Guys,
Oh, okay. I did not
doing?
take this way, but I was following you.
Will you change? Someone said the guy has cosplay chest out.
Will you change? King. That says Kange.
Oh, my bad.
Wait, I have a question. Was that strike when
Bro.
Shame.
It's
Oh
autocorrect.
Oh, say correct.
Wait, no, no.
I don't like special round.
I don't like special round either.
Slow.
Wait, how is he gonna get back in our server?
Oh, the next box speed has been decreased
Oh
too.
wait, that's good.
So it's basically the same thing.
He sent me a friend request, bro.
Don't accept.
Except,
How do I accept? I'm in shit block mode, bro.
Oh heck no.
how have you already been down, Leif?
How did Leif get downed in the first like 10 seconds of playing?
Hey, yo, bro. A pickle's coming. Oh, a pickle's coming.
A pickle?
Pickle Rick?
Come back for me.
A pickle is coming.
Guys, I'm actually cooking right now.
Well, we need you. Well, Beckham needs your help.
No, I thought I could. I'm a geek.
Where are you?
Look over
Yo,
here.
there's
me and-
SpongeBob in here. What the Sigma?
We see you. I see you.
Yo, help.
Why are they all guarding us? Guys, try to get up.
The other guy came for us.
It's Chozo.
Oh my god, Choso saved you. No, Lachlan's down now.
Why is Leif's head so big? Choso's carrying me.
Oh, I see Chozo.
SpongeBob is chasing me, just an FYI. So that's... No, I'm
Run, bro.
not dead, surprisingly. But...
No, Choso. We both got eliminated.
Like, died or you're down?
Yeah.
I'm dying.
I'm down.
Died by Slim Shady.
Slim
Slim
Shady
Shady.
isn't even in this match, bro.
Well, Slim Shady wasn't it last time.
Then how did you die this time?
I could have died by Pickle Rick.
Yay, we survived that one.
I got- Yay.
I want a hard.
Beckham, I stayed alive 3 seconds more than you.
Yeah,
Wait, do fun rooms, please.
The
yeah,
back
fun
rooms,
rooms.
you mean?
Leif, do fun rooms.
The back.
I have a radar.
But can you do fun rooms?
Ew. We all have Jujutsu Kaisen characters except for
Freddy Fazbear.
It's Fazberry.
Or,
Oh no, he's after me. It's Freddy.
Actually,
It's a Freddy.
Oh my god, Freddy's so fast.
who is that guy? Lachlan, who's chasing you?
No one.
Oh, okay. Oh, I was looking at the wrong person. I don't
Hey, yo,
know.
I'm with. Freddy Fazbear.
There's a Giga Chad after me.
Yo, who is this old man? Yo.
I need you to play Giga Chad.
Giga Chad.
And you at the same time, I think you go like a slight bit faster.
Oh my gosh, it's a huge ball spin.
Oh yeah, I was just actually in that one, and then I almost died.
1.1% more.
Divided.
Who's
Is-
divided?
I think he's the guy. Wait, I don't think his name's the.
Guys,
Oh,
lot
guys,
of people
someone
are
else
joining.
joined. A lot?
People are
People.
joining now, man.
2 people are.
Okay, well at least we had the place to kind of ourselves and one other person earlier.
I got literal emo girl, bro. Where are you guys? Bro, literally Megami's emo over there, bro.
That's
Hey.
true. I do have an emo avatar. Oh god.
Bro, Megumi's emo.
Yeah, Megami
Megami's
is kind of
emo.
emo. Guys, I'm down. Can you help? The emo girl. I need.
Where are you?
I'm at the bot. The bot's like
Yep,
Is
I'm
he
coming,
camping you?
Hey, I'm coming because
Usually.
because
yo, I'm a real solo. Follow me.
Oh my god, the bots are coming.
Oh no!
What?
I messed up the jump, bro. I could have gone.
You can't jump while you're holding someone.
Look, how'd you get one of the bots stuck?
I don't know.
Yo, I haven't died once.
I've died once in the game.
Bro, get good.
Oh, you can't even be talking like.
Alright, I survived all the. Why am I? Do I have no
Oh my god, how
clothes
many
again?
people joined? It used to be like 5 people.
3 people joined.
How did Luck place first? Where are you guys?
I'm zooming around the map with a radar in my hand.
Divided.
I can track down.
How do you already get down?
The bots probably spawned by him. Oh my god, Leif! Leif just made me go right into the monster. I didn't die, luckily, but
Where are you?
I don't know. I didn't die, but Leif made me run directly into the bot.
My class named Bacon. And whenever I go near him, I say, bro, whenever someone tries to be funny, they say, can I have a bacon burger at McDonald's, please?
guys. I'm down.
Where are you?
I'm
Which
down.
one?
I'm at the pink. I'm at the pink.
Where did you go? I'm
I
chasing
swear,
you. I'm coming for you.
Lachlan, I'm inside. I'm inside.
TSU. It's W Olivia.
I don't know. Is he chasing me? I can't see.
Nope, he's not.
He's not? Okay.
Thank you, Nabar.
Mhm.
Everyone, I'm coming back to meet up.
I'm in the purple.
Like, where are you?
I have no idea, actually. I'm in the purple right now.
Purple? Oh, you went through this too?
Yeah, I went through
Oh, I
the drop
found
down.
Olivia.
Huh?
I found you.
Where are you? Oh, there you
I'm
are.
in purple. I'm in purple right now too. Where are you?
Wait, I'm at the slides.
Wait, I'm gonna get this next box. So,
Oh,
Stop.
all the rainbow slides, because there's a NPC there.
No, I'm at the, thanks for letting me know, but I'm at the green and blue slides. And there's an NPC chasing me.
Oh, Olivia, I was just down there.
I'm coming.
Where?
The green area.
Okay, I was 8th, but that's better than 10th. Okay, we got this.
I bet I was sick. I'm in 7.
I'm gonna play a battleground game.
No, wait.
Oh, they're not about to play the strong. Oh,
Who's the most emo person in this group?
me.
Lachlan.
Yes,
Speed,
speed.
yes.
It doesn't buff the next
Oh my
box.
God.
Fast enough. Bro,
Oh, next box. Lachlan.
Oh my god, I'm actually Sonic.
Bro, Beckham, where'd you go?
oh, hold up. You can get caught in the nets. Yo, that.
I just died to a monkey.
Why do I hear machine guns?
No.
I hear machine guns. Oh, monkey just killed me. What the sigma? Hey, yo, follow me. This one.
I do not like this round at all.
Neither do I, because their speed is increased as well.
Oh, the monkeys are chasing me.
Which monkey?
Bro, where's the monkeys?
Guys, I'm in the purple area. Where are you guys?
Wait, what kind of monkey?
Backing by the monkey ops,
Oh my
right?
gosh, it's Freddy.
This is not place.
Bro, Beckham, come to me. I found Freddy.
Oh yeah, I know what you are. Yeah.
Har, 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 har. Har, har, har,
Is
har.
someone chasing?
Har.
Wait, what's up?
Huh?
I found Freddy.
Leif, are you alive?
Yeah.
Can you help me and Beckham? We're at the connecting part of the red
I'm
and
not
blue.
alive.
What?
Oh, I see you.
Oh, people are down there. Died in the game.